If you need to make your laptop going faster and not get overhot, you can make a coolant pad like I took it off from old computer for fans. Just shelf for paper from office. Nobody use it more, it's like garbage. Just bend it over like this. Install for fans like this. It would be like this. Connect to any adapters, 5 volts, from some charger from mobile. I installed one. We will screw two, and I will show you later how it would be looking the rest. So what I got, I little bit cut it sides, all sides around. I little bit grind it, and it now looks like it looks. I connected to power adapter from old Nokia. It's only 5 volts comes here. I connect to parallel, and it works perfect. It blow so good. So we will see how it's be going, and we'll check it after half an hour the temperature. So now 69 degrees. We will see after half an hour. So what I did, I turned it on off old one, this cooling pad, and put on the keyboard, because here is area, it's so high temperature concentrated, and my temperature now is going 64 degrees. It never was like 64. Minimum what I saw it was 65, but it was open windows. Windows was opening, and was winter. It's very good, I like it. So what I made today and put on top, it's now like sandwich from both sides.